Alright guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman. Today we are tearing out walls. We tore out all the tile and now we are reinforcing some of these 2x4s. We got to take some of these 2x4s out because they're bad and prepare for a new tub in the area. So I just want to give you a startup, kind of show you where we go from there. Alright, we're at our next stage right now. We're going to start putting the HardieBacker on the walls. They've been reinforced. Alright, so we've put the backer board on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the waterproofer and paint it on there so that everything is sealed 100%. Okay, so I wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up of where we are so far. So you saw some kind of transition from one to the other to the other. So this is now the tile that is on the walls all the way across. We've done the brick pattern to the tub. And now we're going to start transitioning to the ceiling and put the ceiling in next. Alright, and then after that we're going to start grouting. Okay, I wanted to show you guys the finished product. Now that I've done it, what you see up there, that's just thinset or grout that's been put on. And I started on the floor. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the finished product of the shower that we did with the tile and how it ended up. Now we're going to put a shower door in front of this as well, but I wanted to kind of give you an idea before we did the shower door, and then we're starting on the floor. Obviously I put the floor down already and made it brick pattern with the grout that I've just put on there. That's why you see kind of a haze. I'll be wiping that off soon, and you'll see the finish on that too. So here's the paneling that we did. It's kind of like step 2 is right here with the molding, plywood, some putty. We're going to sand that, make it smooth before we paint it. Okay, and then the outcome is basically what you see right here. This didn't take very long to do, but it is very tedious as far as your cuts. You want to make sure that you cut them as good as possible so that you're not doing a lot of putty work, and that it is square. All right. Wanted to show you guys the bathroom.